Hello, Texas pecan growers. We are the Art of Pecan here at our mill in Dripping Springs, Texas, where we produce our award-winning pure pecan oil and other pecan products. We'd like to invite you to learn more about our new single estate program. This is contract milling, whereby we take your recent harvest pecans that you grew on your orchard, and using the same methods and procedures we use to make our own award-winning oil, we press your pecans into oil that you can sell under your branded label to your customers. You know, good quality pecan oil is dark golden in color, it has flavor, it's aromatic, and we'd love to help your customers discover what really good pecan oil should taste and smell like. When we press a case of pecans into oil for you, you actually get 3 products out of 1. You of course get the oil, but you also get pecan flour. We will mill the pecan meal that's left over from the pressing process into a very fine, gluten-free, defatted, aromatic pecan flour. You also get pecan butter. This is the sediment that settles out of the oil settling process. You can sweeten it, you can add flavor to it, or you can just put it in the jar and sell it as is. Your customers will love this very natural, very flavorful pecan butter. So you get 3 products out of 1 pressing. Of course, the best thing about all these products is they're made using your pecans that you grew in your orchard, and they're pressed and made right here in Texas by Texans. If you'd like to learn more about our single estate program, give us a call at 512-633-1456 or email sales@theartofpecan.com. We look forward to hearing from you. We'd love to work with you.